HME DX300 wireless communication system is the easiest system for a coach to use. The system has the highest technology. The system by far has the clearest sound. And as a coach, when you take time to prepare hours for a game and you get to game time, you want to make sure that that plan is communicated through your whole coaching staff.
The last wireless system we had, which was one of the big brand names, really I had to have my offensive line coach, who's also one of my technology guys up on campus, set it up. The difficulty was just unbelievable. Turn it on in a certain sequence and off. DX300 is easy. I can have any one of my coaches set it up, take it down with absolutely no problems. The two best features I think of the DX300 is one that the recharging time is tremendous. It's with our old system, again, had to be charged 12 hours any more, and you could have issues any less, and it didn't fully charge and it'd run out during the game. With the DX300, extremely quick recharging time. And the second is just the ability to communicate with everybody at any time by a single push of a button. Our offensive and defensive staffs are on different signal channels, but when we come together for special teams, they cross over, so it's a simple push of a button to get us all on the same channel to hear and communicate with each other. We've had absolutely no security issues with the DX300, which again I cannot say for the previous system that we used. With the previous system, every year you had to send it back for reconditioning and send your schedule, and then they would check and make sure you weren't on the same frequency as one of your opponents, but it never seemed to work. I would say with our previous system, every year we had at least one opponent where we could hear them, and I'm sure they could hear us. DX300 in the last 3.5 years, not one time. The dependability of the communicators and the headsets is unbelievable. Again, we all know as coaches and the frustration, and you pull those headsets off, and with our previous headsets, the earpiece would pop off. We'd have to jerry-rig it to get it on there for the next game until we had time to send them back or get a new one. The packs were big and bulky. The DX300, the packs are simple, they're nice, they're compact, and the headsets have been unbelievably durable. The sound quality of the DX300 is tremendous. It is no different than me standing here talking to you. It doesn't matter if we're in our stadium or if we're at Qualcomm Stadium in the championship game. The distance does not make a difference. It is truly like standing next to the coach talking.
The DX300 headset system is a vital tool for a successful football program. With the DX300, the technology is there, the quality of sound is there, the durability of the equipment is there, and there's nothing more frustrating to spend all those hours working on a plan and not being able to put that plan in action because you don't have communication through your headset system.
And that's why we chose the DX300. There is nothing better in my mind. We've tested multiple systems, and with the ease of use, the quality, and everything, it is by far the best system around.